Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the video presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Septiansyah Rariscansari and my friend Sinta Reni Puspitasari. We from SMK Forestry Kadipaten. Our scientific paper title is Utilization of Salaka seed based in Sleman District as herbal coffee to remedy gout and diabetes. Before we will describe our product, we will explain the meaning of gout, diabetes, and salaka. Salaka is one of the tropical fruit and these are currently favored by many people. Salaka fruit has harvesting period throughout of the year. Definition of diabetes is chronic disease term and characteristic by increasing blood sugar level above normal values. Definition of gout is disease that cause unbearable pain accompanied by swelling and a burning sensation in the joint. Why does it have to be Salaka seed coffee? Because in Sleman district is production primary Salaka, which give rise to waste from Salaka, and we process the waste become the coffee, and yaps the coffee usable lower gout and diabetes. Here I will explain the tools used to take blood sample, and 1 syringers, 2 Scorex, and 3 Photometer 5018. And there are also material used, namely reagent gout, reagent diabetes, and blood sample. How to use it is to draw blood using a needle and then checking by Scorex and Photometer.
How to make coffee Salaka seed? 1. Salaka seed in the sun without direct sunlight under the selection point for 1 month. 2. Salaka seed that have been dried in the sun are fried without oil using a skillet over high heat. 3. If there is still a coarse texture on the sieve, the next step is to grind in the using a grinding stone until it becomes soft coffee. 4. Salaka seeds are broken and then ground to soften the flour making machine. If the sieve in the machine is still good, don't need to sieve it because it's soft. This is a Salaka coffee powder. Formulation of the problem. 1. How is the content and quality of Salaka bean herbal coffee in terms of Indonesia national standard? 2. How is the presentation of reducing gout level by using herbal coffee Salaka seed? 3. How does the presentation decrease the level of diabetes or blood sugar by using Salaka herbal coffee? Number 1. How is the content and quality of Salaka bean herbal coffee in terms of Indonesia national standard? Salaka seed powder is formulated with a perfect process so that it produces delicious Salaka seed powder, but does not eliminate the content in the Salaka powder because coffee contains peptine, flavonoid, and does not contain caffeine. Number 2, how is the presentation of reducing gout level by using herbal coffee Salaka? The percentage of uric acid level before treatment divided by uric acid level after treatment times 100%. The sample we tested had an initial uric acid level 133 mg/%. After drinking for 13 days, uric acid decreases to 106 mg/%. The reduction percentage obtained is 61.7%. Number 3, how does the presentation decrease the level of diabetes or blood sugar by using Salaka herbal coffee? Percentage of blood sugar level after treatment divided by blood sugar levels before treatment times 100%. The sample we tested had an initial blood sugar level of 8.1 mg/%. After drinking for 13 days, blood sugar dropped to 5 mg/%. The reduction percentage obtained was 79.7%.